welcome back to my channel. I hope you enjoy the new background. I hope you enjoy the new intro. We're trying to update and do new things, which is great for any channel. Anyway, new episode, of course, fabulous episode. So excited for this episode because I got a package from Beverly Hills. AMREZY has collaborated with ANASTASIA Beverly Hills and they have come out with something very special. This is the package. I only received it a couple of days ago. Let me turn it around and you can see the logo there, ABH. And then you have AMREZY here. It is beautiful, it's glitzy, it's gold, it's champagne. That's what this is giving me, all these vibes. Beautiful PR package, and we are going to pop up this hood. Alrighty, there we go. I have a new monitor. I'm so excited, so I can see myself when I'm talking to you. And it's kind of weird because I go this way, I go that way. I'm trying to feel my way through. All right, so we are popping up the hood and let us look at the beautiful AMREZY. She's so gorgeous. For those of you that don't know her, she is an Instagram superstar. That's the only way I can describe her. And she's just fabulous. She has about 5.5 million subscribers and she has collaborated with ANASTASIA Beverly Hills in the past. I think 1 or 2 times prior, and she has come out with a sensational highlighter which is smack in the middle. I'm going to bring them all out for you. And in the PR package we also had 2 phone cases as well as a mirror. So I wanted to show you what it looked like. Let me just bring it all the way up so that you guys can see. Voila. And the package just reminded me of old Hollywood glamour. Old Hollywood glamour. So decadent, so luxurious. And you have the glitter, which is very, very much AMREZY. There we go. So let me put this down for you. Let me bring these out. We have 2 phone cases. Just look at how gorgeous these are. And look, you can bring them all the way down. And it's got AMREZY on it. Gorgeous. I love these. Beautiful. Thank you. So we have those 2. And then we have AMREZY mirror. Yeah, so this is the mirror. Can you see, guys? This is what it looks like. And then the bag has AMREZY on it. Let me try and bring it forward so that you guys can see. There you go. And that's what it looks like. Yeah? All right. For the most exciting, for the prize. This, my loves, is the highlighter. This is the packaging. Look at how gorgeous this is. Look at how glamorous it is. It's so decadent, luxurious, something that you can pop into your bag, you know, and you are good to go. Beautiful. Black is such an elegant color. Just look at the packaging, look at the stars. ANASTASIA Beverly Hills AMREZY. And if you turn it around, it says all of the details. It's a highlighter. It is described as liquid gold. It is supposed to be a universal shade and it is complementary to all skin tones. Let us open it just so, and this is what it looks like. It's got a mirror, as you can see. It's got like a little film on the mirror, and this is what the highlighter looks like. It retails for $28. It's available online on the 14th of February. Yes, my loves, the UK website as well as the US website. And then in March the 6th, I believe, it will be available in retail stores. I'm under the impression that will be Sephora because Sephora carries ABH. And there you have it. Look at how beautiful this is. Apparently, it's a different kind of formula. So it is a gel highlighter and there is no fallout. What do you mean, Fumi? There is no fallout, my loves. What? So as you can see, the wave, new wave of highlighter as far as I'm concerned. And when you just brush your finger across it like so, it feels beautiful. It really does. And look, my loves, it is pure liquid gold. I'm going to do a little swatch on my hand and there you have it. Oh my God, gorgeous. The life shelf of this highlighter is 12 months, give or take 1 year. And I have highlighters that last for even longer, but I'm just letting you know. And just look at how beautiful this is. Let me just rub it in. Let me just see what this feels like. And I will tell you, because I wanted to do this for my deeper skin sisters, it's very complimentary. It is very, very complimentary. You can blend it in like I am doing, and you can put it all over. So I've done my makeup. I've used everything ABH today. I've used the ABH lipsticks, ABH lip glosses, the eyeshadows, the Subculture palette, as well as the Prism palette. I put on my lashes, everything, but I didn't highlight my face because I wanted to have a first impressions with the palette. I have a couple of brushes with me because I would like to do my collarbone, my shoulders, my cupid's bow, my little nosy loops, of course the cheekbones, my temples. Because of that, I have different brushes. So let me get one brush out right away, and we are going to use my little Moschino. I got the Moschino set. I don't use it that often, so I'm going to use it, and I'm going to put a little bit onto my collarbone. I'm going to use the mirror right here of the highlighter, and we're going to see how this pops off. So I'm just brushing some on. It's beautiful, and as you can see, guys, no fallout. No fallout. That's amazing. Tip, 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 and we are going to go right here. Ooh. Ooh, look, guys, look. Look. It's beautiful. It is beautiful. Woohoo! Look, guys. Beautiful. That is gorgeous. That is gorgeous. And you know, some highlighters can come off ashy on deeper skin tones. Look at that. Ooh, lovely. 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 It's very fine. It's not grainy. It's not chalky. It's not chunky. It's very fine. It's very fine. That's the only way I can describe it. Look, even if I use it with my finger. Wow. I'm going to take my Morphe, and this Morphe brush is an M500. I'm going to glaze this on like so. Da, 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 da. Yeah, and we are going to put this right onto my cheekbone. Yeah, right there. It is beautiful, guys. It is beautiful. Look at that. Well, wow. Wow. Let me put a little bit on the top temple. Yes, this is the kind of highlighter you want. Just look at this and look at that. Look at this. Look at that. This is beautiful. This is what you want. You want that extra glow. Put this in your bag, and when you're going out in the evenings, you add that extra, and it goes on beautifully. You know what I like about this? I'm going to tell you. Some highlighters, when you put it on, it spreads all over the place and it becomes very dusty, grainy, and it can lose its color and make you look washed out. This doesn't. Oh, I love. I put a little bit on my nose. It's beautiful. It is beautiful. I love it. Wow. Okay, let me put a little bit on my cupid's bow. Yes. All right, let me put a little bit into my tear duct. Yes, it's giving me life. I'm deeper skin toned, so to have this and just feel so oof, I'm very impressed. Let me put a little bit right into the high tops of my brow bone. Shut the front door. Ula, look. Is that not gorgeous? Valentine's Day, here I come. Date night, I am ready. Absolutely. I want to keep on pouring all over me. And that is it. That is it, guys. I really wanted you to have a full demonstration of what this highlighter looked like on deeper skin tones. It's a beautiful gold. It's a wonderful champagne-ish gold, and it's not grainy, it's not ashy at all. It applies beautifully. I put it all over my shoulders, my collarbone, my cheekbones, cupid's bow, on my nose, in my tear duct, brow bone, and on my temple, and it's just giving me that glow. It is giving me life. Congratulations, AMREZY. I am so happy for you. Congratulations on your engagement. ABH, thank you so very much for the PR package. I absolutely love it. Thank you for the extra goodies. I love the highlighter. Ula, my love.
Is it FDV approved?
It is absolutely FDV approved. Yes. AMREZY, congratulations. You hit this one out of the park, and I will see all of you sometime soon. Well, let's say goodbye.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye, my loves. Mwah. Goodbye.
I've been running around in circles for so long. I never really understood what I did wrong. I was trying hard to find a place where I belong. I lived an empty life, but had to carry on. I guess I really